Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, in today's class I am going to discuss class 10th ICSE Board Term 2 Chapter Section and Midpoint Formula. In this class I am going to discuss the very important questions related to this chapter, section and midpoint formula. Let's begin. Before we could start this chapter, I just want to brief you some important formulas which is used in this chapter. The first important topic in this is distance formula. Please make a note of the points what I am going to discuss here. Distance formula. My dear students, this is the formula which is used to find the distance between two distinct points. जब भी आपको दो points दिया जाएगा, whenever they give you the 2 points, if you want to find the distance between this point to this point, then we use distance formula. Distance formula is denoted by d. D is the distance. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. As I can suggest you, let me say A and B are the 2 points. A and B are the 2 points. The coordinates of A will be x1 comma y1 and coordinates of B will be x2 comma y2. So these are the coordinates. Okay. If you want to find the distance between A to B, okay, then we use the formula d is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, coming back to the next important formula. My dear students, if in case in the question they have given to find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points. Example, let me take a line. Okay, we have taken a line. The coordinates of the two extreme ends of this line are A and B. We know that the coordinates of A always x1 y1, coordinates of B will be x2 and y2. Okay, now we have a point, एक point है बेटा. Okay, let me say somewhere a point is there. Let me say here there is a point. The name of that point is P. So P is a point which divides the line AB. P is the point which divides the line AB, okay, in the ratio m is to n, or sometimes we also write as m1 is to m2. M is to n, m1 is to m2, both are one in the same. Okay, in case if a point P, this is x comma y, okay, the point which is dividing the line AB, that is nothing but x comma y. Now if we want to find, if you want to find the coordinates of this point, अगर से आपको ये P का जो point जो AB को divide कर रहा है उसके coordinates अगर से आपको जानना है तो आपको एक formula use करना पड़ेगा. Okay, what is that formula? Very simple. P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Already I have suggested you m is nothing but m1, n is nothing but m2. If you want, you can write instead of m1 you can take m also, instead of m2 you can take n also. Understood? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Did you understood? Is this clear? Concepts are clear? So this is the formula which is used to find the point which divides the line AB or which divides the line in the ratio m is to n. So this is called as section formula. Now come to this important point. Now suppose I want to find the coordinates of x and coordinates of y, then what you have to do, which I have taken p of x, okay, this is x is a point of p, y is also the point, y is also the coordinate of p. If you want to find x coordinate, then you have to use x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. If you want to find x, this formula you have to use. If you want to find y, then y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Just you have to substitute the values. They have given the coordinates of a, x1 y1, substitute, x2 y2, substitute, m is to n ratio they have given, substitute. Substitute in this formula, you can find x, along with that you can find y. So this is the formula which is used to find the coordinates of a point which divides a line in the ratio m is to n. Understood? Good. Now coming back to the third important point related to this chapter, and my dear students, this video can be used with all the board students, CBSE board, Karnataka State Board, and also ICSE board students can also watch this session. Okay, it will be very much helpful. Now next important points. Now children, let me to give you one small hint. If a of x1 comma y1, okay, b coordinates are x2 comma y2 and c coordinates are x3 comma y3. First coordinate is x1 y1, second coordinate is x2 y2, third coordinate is x3 y3. If these are the vertices, these are the vertices of a triangle. If these are the vertices of a triangle, then to find the coordinates, of centroid. What is the formula? If you want to find the coordinates of a centroid, the formula is C is nothing but centroid. C is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, okay, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So this is the formula which we use to find the vertices or the coordinates of a centroid when three vertices of a triangle are given. Is this clear? Understood? Yes. If three vertices of a triangle are given, A, B, C coordinates if they have given, if you want to find the centroid, can you see the picture? If A, B, C are the coordinates, if you want to find the centroid, the coordinates of the centroid, then we use the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is one of the most important formula which you should not forget. Got it? Good. And next, coming back to the next topic, the next very important formula which we used in this chapter, that is, example, let me take, if A of x1 comma y1 comma B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle, then the coordinates of in center, are, if we want to find the coordinates of a in center, then what is the formula you use? If A, B, C, the vertices of a triangle are given, then if you want to find the coordinates of in center, observe your students, Here they are asking you to find the coordinates of in center. Example, let me take this is a triangle. Let me consider this is a triangle. Let me draw a circle in this triangle. Okay, I'm just taking an example. Okay, let me pass a line. Okay, from the center of this circle, and here also a line is passing through center of the circle. Similarly, here also, as you can see, a line is passing through the center of the circle. Now, this point, can you see this point? This point we call that as in center. Understood now? Understood? If you want to find the coordinates of this in center, then what is the formula we use? To find this, we have the formula I means in center is equals to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. This is the formula which we use to find the coordinates of in center. ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c, where you should know what is this ABC. We know x1, x2, x3 are the coordinates, y1, y2, y3 are the coordinates of ABC, correct no? Then what is this ABC? Where A, B and C are the sides of a triangle. Are the sides of a triangle. Do not worry. They will give you the sides AB. Can you see this? Side AB value, side BC and side AC values will be given. Side AB is A, side BC is B, side CA or AC is C. They will give, and coordinates of ABC are given. Just substitute in the formula. Any doubts? Understood? Good. Now last, ultimately we have one more important formula, that is to find the slope of a line. To find the slope of the line. My dear students, slope of the line is denoted by the symbol M. M is the symbol to find the slope of the line. Okay. In general, M is equals to y by x. Remember this. In general, M is equals to y by x. If they have given coordinates, if they have given the coordinates to find the slope of a line, then we use the formula M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Remember this. This is the formula which is used to find the slope of a line. Any doubts? What is the formula to find the slope of the line? M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Sometimes they will give angle theta. Then to find the slope, we have the formula M is equals to tan theta. Okay. Is this clear, students? As you can see, this is our y axis and this is our x axis on a plane. Let me take a line which is moving in this direction. Now I want to find the slope. Okay, let me say these are the 2 points. Got it? Now I want to find the slope of this line. Then what we do? Just extend the line here and extend the line here. As you can see, this is the point. Can you see this? Now this angle, can you see this angle? This angle is slope angle, that is theta. This is the slope angle. Did you got it? And here the coordinates are y2 minus y1 and here x2 minus x1. This distance is x2 minus x1 and this distance is y2 minus y1. Got it? And this is also theta, and even here also you can see this is also theta. So remember, slope of a line formula is M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and M is equals to tan theta. Now Here we have two conditions. Are you getting? And remember students, we have the equation of a line. Before going to the equation of the line, here remember we have two specific conditions. Which are those? If two lines are, okay, if you want to find the slope, when the two lines are passing parallel to each other. Two lines are passing parallel to each other. First case, if two lines are passing perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. If you want to find the slope. When the lines are moving parallel to each other, okay, what is the condition? If the lines are moving perpendicular to each other, if you want to find the slope, what should be the condition? If the lines are parallel to each other, then the condition is, okay children, when the lines are moving parallel to each other, suppose this is a line and here we have one more line. When these two lines are moving parallel to each other, okay, then if you want to find the slope between these two lines, then we have the condition. This is m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of the second line. Then we use the condition m1 is equals to m2. Okay. Same way, see, by using m, find y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Find the slope of first line by using this formula. Again, find the slope of second line by using the same formula. Understood? Then equate both the sides. M1 is equals to M2. Substitute and you can get the result. Did you understood? Similarly, if the lines are perpendicular to each other, okay, when the lines are moving perpendicular to each other, then what is the formula to find the slope? The condition is M1 into M2 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Please do remember, sometimes we write this as also, this can also be written as M1 is equals to minus 1 by M2. Just cross multiply. M1 is equals to minus 1 by M2 when the slopes are perpendicular to each other. Concepts are clear? And remember, we have the equation of a line. What is the equation of a line? That is also called as equation of a line, or it is also called as intercept equation of a line. Intercept equation of a line. We have the formula, that is y is equals to mx plus b. Okay, y is equals to mx plus b, where m is slope and b is, what is b? B is called as y intercept. B it is called as y intercept. Sometimes they write as c also here. mx plus c also they denote. ठीक है, b की जगह में c भी use करते हैं sometimes. So remember, they will give you y intercept value. They will directly mention in the question itself, like y intercept is 3. Understood? Got it? For example, find the equation of a line where, slope is 5 and y intercept, what is y intercept means? B is 3. Then find the equation of a line. Then how to write the equation of a line? Y is equals to m is 5 x plus b is 3. That's it. This is the equation of a line. Just directly you have to substitute, nothing else. Got it? Understood, children? So remember, these are the very important formulas which we use in this chapter to find the slope, that is change in y by change in x, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is also called as delta y by delta x. Okay. So now let me start solving the problems. Children, one more important formula is there, that is midpoint formula. What it is? Midpoint formula. See children, suppose we have a line AB is the line and P is the point which is dividing the line AB in the same ratio. Remember, okay, P is the point which is dividing the line AB in the same ratio. Got it? It means that from A to P, the ratio what we have, even from P to B also the ratio remains same, that is M1 is equals to M2. Understood? And sometimes they will also call this as midpoint formula. Sometimes we also call this as midpoint formula. Got it? Then we have the formula, that is P of x comma y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is what we call it as midpoint formula. Is this clear? Understood? Just you need to remember distance formula, midpoint formula and section formula. So these are the three major formulas, and sub formulas you have to remember to find the centroid and then to find the in-center, coordinates of in-center and slope of a line, So this is what we are going to study in this chapter. Now let me solve few very important questions related to this chapter. Let's begin. First question, make a note. Find the ratio, copy down the question. Find the ratio in which the line joining minus 2 comma 5 and minus 5 comma minus 6 is divided by the line y is equals to minus 3. Hence find the point of intersection. See children, this is one of the most important question, okay, of this chapter. It may carry 3 marks. First need to understand the given problem. ठीक है, आपको बस प्रॉब्लम को समझना है क्या दिया गया है बोलकर. ठीक, फर्स्ट डेटा को लिखिए. बात कौन सा फार्मूला हमारे को अप्लाई करना है, यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन दैट पार्ट. जब आपको फार्मूला गेस कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद में क्या करना है, जस्ट वैल्यूज को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, नथिंग एल्स. फाइंड द रेशियो. रेशियो मीन्स व्हाट, m1 is to m2 value we have to find. Correct? Yes or no? Ratio means what? m1 is to m2, that is nothing but m is to n value we have to find. Find the ratio in which the line joining, we have a line, let me say these are the 2 points, A and B are the 2 extreme points. The coordinates of A they have given minus 2 comma 5, coordinates of B they have given minus 5 comma minus 6. Okay, the line joining minus 2 comma 5 minus 5 comma minus 6 is divided by the line y is equals to minus 3. Understood? It is divided by the line y is equals to minus 3. We have a point. Let me take in general, this is a point. Got it? This is a point which is dividing the line y is equals to minus 3, and hence find the point of intersection. See children, here we are assuming this is a point P. Okay, P is the point, P of x comma y. Okay, P is the point which is dividing the line AB. Understood? Again I am repeating, find the ratio m1 is to m2 or m is to n you have to find, in which the line joining the 2 points, that is A and B, okay, is divided by the line y is equals to minus 3. In this what they have given, as you can see here, P of x comma y is a point which is dividing the line AB. Yes or no? In which they have given the value of y. Y is minus 3. Okay, if y is minus 3, then by using this condition y is equals to minus 3, find m1 is to m2. Find this ratio and find the point of intersection. After finding this ratio, then find the value of x. Now I'll show you how to solve this. Solution. We know that P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. ठीक है, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now he has given the coordinates of y, correct? Y is equals to -3. Now what we do, we take y coordinates. The coordinates of y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. What is the value of y? Y is equals to -3. If y is -3, m1 value we don't know. As you can see here, this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. Got it? m1 into, what is y2? y2 is -6 plus m2 we don't know, y1 is +5. Substitute by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. And after this, what we should do? Very simple. Just cross multiply. That is nothing but -3 into m1 plus m2 is equals to -6 into m1, -6 m1, -6 m1 plus into plus m2 into 5, that is 5 m2. Now multiply -3 into m1, -3 m1, minus into plus -3 into m2, 3 m2. That is equals to -6 m1 plus 5 m2. Now take the like terms. As you can see here, -3 m1, -6 come this side, it becomes +6 m1. Done. That is equals to 5 m2, -3 m2 come this side, it becomes +3 m2. I'll solve the rest steps here. 6 m1 minus 3 m1, 6 minus 3 is 3 m1. That is equals to 5 m2 plus 3 m2, that is 8 m2. We need the ratio, right? So what we do, m1 keep it as it is, cross multiply, m2 will comes down, that is m1 by m2 is equals to 8 by 3. 3 will comes down, m2 will comes down. Now therefore we can say that m1 is to m2, that is equals to 8 is to 3. In what ratio it is dividing? If y is -3, it is dividing in the ratio 8 is to 3. Got it? So we know that m1 is to m2 is equals to 8 is to 3. Now again they have asked one more condition. Find the point of intersection, means they are asking us to find the coordinates of P. They are asking us to find the coordinates of P. To find the coordinates of P, what we do, we already know that the value of y is -3. Now just we need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, again what we do, we take the coordinates x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Done? We don't know. Now we know that, you know the condition, right? Again I will write here. Let me to substitute here. -2 comma 5 is first coordinate. Done. -5 comma -6 is the second coordinate. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, and it is m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. Just now we have done, that is 8 is to 3. Now let me substitute. X is equals to, what is m1? m1 is 8, m2 value is 3. Got it? m1 is 8 into x2. The value of x2 is -5 plus m2. m2 value is 3 into x1 is -2 by m1 plus m2, 8 plus 3. That is equals to plus into minus minus, 8 5s are 40, plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6 by 8 plus 3 is 11. Minus 40 minus 6 is minus 46 by 11. So this is the coordinates of x. Now we can say that therefore the point of intersection, therefore the point of intersection is what? Minus 46 by 11 comma minus 3. So this carries 3 marks. Got it? Take down the next question. Question number 2. M and N are 2 points. M and N are 2 points on the x-axis. Are 2 points on the x-axis, and M and N are the 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. P of 3, 2 divides the line segment MN in the ratio 2:3. Find option 1 the coordinates of M and N, option 2 slope of the line MN. See children, now it's very simple, no need to worry. It's very interesting and very simple problem, okay, which carries 3 marks. Solution. Now here first you need to understand the given problem. See here, M and N are 2 points on x-axis and y-axis. M is a point on x-axis. Consider N is the point on y-axis respectively. Now we know that the point on the x-axis, the coordinates of the point on the x-axis, okay, x-axis के जो coordinates होते हैं, the coordinates on x-axis will be x, 0. The coordinates on x-axis will be x, 0. On x-axis, x value will be present and y value will be 0, absent. Similarly, we know that the coordinates on y-axis, that is 0, y. The coordinates on the y-axis will be 0, y. On y-axis, x value will be 0 and y value will be present. Got it? That is what first let me write. Let M that is x, 0, because M is a point on x-axis, so the coordinates of M is x, 0, and N is the point on y-axis, so the coordinates of N is 0, y. Be the 2 points on x-axis and y-axis. Is this clear? Understood? The coordinates of M is x, 0. He has not given directly. ठीक है, आपको indirectly बता रहा है. M आकर x axis के पास है, इसका मतलब कि coordinates आपको इधर directly coordinates M के नहीं दिया है, आपको indirectly बोल रहा है कि M के coordinates x axis पे है. तो इसका मतलब आपको ढूंढना है. You need to identify. और वो बता रहा है n के coordinates क्या है, y axis पे लाई हो रहे हैं. इसका मतलब 0, y. That you have to identify. Understood? Now we have got M and N coordinates. Now P is the point which is dividing the line MN in the ratio 2:3. So this is the point M and this is the point N. The coordinates of M just now we got, that is x, 0. Coordinates of N is 0, y. And P is the point. This is a point P. P is the point, that is P of 3, 2 is the point. Understood? Which is dividing the line MN in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio 2:3. Now in this we have to find the coordinates of M and N. Actual M and N values we have to find. So first let me do like this. First let me write the data. The coordinates of M is x, 0. Coordinates of N is 0, y. That's nothing but this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Shall we write? x1 is x, y1 is 0, x2 is 0, y2 is y. And P is the point. P is the point, that is 3, 2. That is x, y. The value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2. And it is dividing in the ratio 2:3. That is M1 is to M2 is equals to 2:3. In which we can say that the value of M1 is 2 and the value of M2 is 3. Now we have to use section formula. Substitute in the section formula. and find the coordinates of m and n. That is very simple. We know that the section formula is P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. If you want to find the coordinates of x, then x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and the values we need to substitute over there. Okay, what is m1? m1 is 2 into x2 is 0 plus m2 is 3 and x1 is x divided by 2 plus 3. 2 zeros are 0 plus 3x plus 3x divided by 5. We are finding the value of x. Am I right? Now cross multiply 5 into x, 5x, right? Just a minute. And already we know that the value of x is 3. Shall we substitute here the value of x as 3? Right. X value is 3, y value is 2. So the value of x is 3. The value of x is 3. Done. Now cross multiply 3 5s are 15 is equals to 3x. Got it? 15 is equals to 3x. Similarly, x is equals to 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are, so that the value of x is 5. Done. Now shall we find the value of y? If you want to find y, y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now what is the value of y? That is 2 is equals to m1 2 y2 y plus m2 3 y1 0 by 2 plus 3. 2 equals 2 y1 plus 0 by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 5s are 10 is equals to 2y. Now we can say that y is equals to 10 by 2, that is 2 1s are 2 5s are, so that the value of y is 5. The value of y is 5. Any doubts? Got it? Now we know that the coordinates of m, option 1, what is the question they were asking? Find the coordinates of m and n, right? Therefore the coordinates of m, the coordinates of m are x comma 0 we took, no? That is x means 5 comma 0 and n are what we took 0 comma y, that is 0 comma 5. So these are the coordinates. And second, what is the question they are asking? To find the slope of the line. We know that to find the slope of the line mn, that is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, correct? Now see here, interesting. Now just now we got 5 comma 0. What is 5? x1 y1, and this is x2 and this is y2. Shall we substitute? That is equals to y2. y2 is 5 minus y1 is 0 by x2 is 0 minus x1 is 5. That is 5 minus 0 is 5 by 0 minus 5 is minus 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are. The answer is 1 by minus 1. As we can see here, the final answer here is 1 by minus 1, that is equals to minus 1 itself. So the slope of mn is minus 1. 1 by minus 1, that is equals to minus 1 only. Got it? Understood, children? Very good. See students, the third question here is the slope of the line joining P of 6 comma k and Q of 1 minus 3k comma 3 is 1 by 2. Find option 1 k, option 2 midpoint of PQ using the value of k found in sub question 1. See, very interesting question. The slope of the line joining 2 points they have given. Can you see this? They have given here 2 points P and Q. The coordinates of P is 6, k and coordinates of Q is 1 minus 3k, 1 minus 3k, k. Understood? So they have given two coordinates, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2. And also they have given the slope. Slope is 1 by 2. The slope of this point, slope of this line is 1 by 2. By using this condition, we have to find the value of k. To find that, very interesting, we have the slope formula. We know that the slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The value of m is 1 by 2 is equals to y2. y2 is k minus y1. y1 is how much? 1 minute. 1 minus 3k, sorry, 1 minus 3k, 3. This is 3. Okay, good. Now, come back to the problem. y2, how much is y2? y2 is 3 minus y1. y1 is k divided by x2. The value of x2 is 1 minus 3k. 1 minus 3k. x2 minus x1. x1 is 6. Shall we simplify this? If we are going to simplify this, 1 by 2 is equals to 3 minus k by 1 minus 6. How much is 1 minus 6? That is minus 5. In 1 we cannot subtract 6. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5 minus 3k. Okay. Now shall we cross multiply? So if you are cross multiplying this, 1 into minus 5 minus 3k is equals to 2 into 3 minus k. 2 into 3 minus k. Got it? 1 multiplied by anything is remains same. So 1 into minus 5 minus 5, 1 into minus 3k is minus 3k is equals to 2 3s are 6 minus 2 into k is 2k. Okay. Now shall we take k terms one side and constant terms other side. Now as we can see here, minus 5 plus 6 come this side, it becomes minus 6 is equals to minus 3k, go that side, it becomes plus 3k minus 2k. Done. Minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11 is equals to 3k minus 2k is 1k. Now we got the value of k. The value of k is minus 11. So this is our final answer of option number 1. So we have found the value of k. Got it? So the value of k is minus 11. Now they are asking us to find the midpoint of PQ by using the value of k which we got from sub question 1. In sub question 1 we got k as minus 11. Now what you should do, again you have to find the coordinates of P and Q. What we should do? We have to find the coordinates of P and Q. What is the coordinates of P? They have given 6, k, correct? Yes or no? That is equals to 6, k means minus 11. So this is the coordinates of P. Got it? Next, what is the coordinates of Q? 1 minus 3k, 3. Correct? 1 minus 3k, 3. Done. That is equals to 1 minus 3 into k is minus 11. Close the bracket. 3. That is equals to 1 minus into minus is plus, 3 into 11 is 33. 11 3 is a 33, 3. Correct? That equals 1 plus 33, 34, 3. Now this is our x1, this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Got it? Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to substitute. Wherever k was there, you have to substitute and find the general form. Understood? x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we have going to solve option number 2, that is midpoint. We know that midpoint of PQ, they are asking us to find midpoint of PQ, right? So midpoint of PQ is equals to, we have the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Done? Now, what is the value of x1? x1 is 6 plus x2 is 34 by 2, comma y1. y1 is minus 11 plus y2 is 3 by 2. Done? Understood? Understood or not?
Yes.
Good. Now, what we should do? Very simple. 6 plus 34, 40 by 2. 3 minus 11, 3 minus 11, minus 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, that is 20, comma 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is minus 4. So the midpoint of PQ is minus 20 comma minus 4. 20 comma minus 4. So this is the midpoint.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Now let me solve the next problem. Observe here students, the next problem. In the given figure below, the line segment AB meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. The point P of minus 3 comma 4 on AB divides it in the ratio 2:3. Find the coordinates of A and B. First you need to understand the question. The question is very simple. We have a line AB. AB is a line where A is meeting the x-axis. The coordinates on the x-axis is x comma 0 and B is the point on y-axis. The coordinates of B is 0 comma y. And P is a point which is dividing the line AB in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. Is this clear? Now they are asking us to find the coordinates of A and B. So we know very well, whenever they have given the question like it is dividing, means section formula. Okay. Already we know that the section formula, if you want to find the coordinates of x, P of x, what? Okay. Before that, first write the data. What is the data? Coordinates of A, that is x comma 0. Done. And coordinates of B, 0 comma y. Coordinates of P, minus 3 comma 4. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x comma y. And it is dividing in the ratio m1 is to m2, that is nothing but 2:3. The value of m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. Now we have the section formula. Now I am writing x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Do you remember? Yes or no? Now they are asking us to find the coordinates of A and B, right? Yeah. Now x, what is the value of x? X is minus 3 is equals to m1 is 2 into x2 is 0 plus m2 is 3 and x1 is x. Done. By m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. Now minus 3 is equals to 2 zeros are 0 plus 3x by 2 plus 3 is 5. I am solve the next step here. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 is equals to 0 plus 3x is 3x. Then minus 15 by 3 is equals to x. So x is equals to 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. So the value of x is minus 5. Done. Now what we should find? Now we have to find the value of y. To find y, we have the formula, that is y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. The value of y is 4, that is equals to m1 is 2 into y2 is y plus m2 is 3, y1 is 0 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. Now 4 is equals to 2 into y is 2y plus 3 zeros are 0 by 2 plus 3 is 5. Cross multiply. 5 4s are 20 is equals to 2y plus 0 is 2y. Now 20 by 2 is equals to y. 2 1s are 2 10s are, so that the value of y is 10. Now we got the values of x and y. What was the question? The question was find the coordinates of a and b, correct? Now we can conclude that therefore the coordinates of a are x comma 0, correct? What was the question? In the question they have given the coordinates of a is x comma 0. So x means minus 5 comma 0. Done. And similarly the coordinates of b are the coordinates of b are 0 comma y is 10, so 0 comma 10. So this conclude the final answer. It carries 3 marks. Understood? Now let me solve one more problem. Next question, number 5. The midpoint of the line segment joining 2a comma 4 and minus 2 comma 2b is 1 comma 2a plus 1. Find the value of a and b. See children, very interesting problem. First we need to understand the question. As I have suggested you earlier, again I am repeating the same thing. Don't get panic as soon you see the question. How to solve this, what to solve this. Go in a simple way. ठीक है, आपको आराम से सॉल्व करना है. आपको क्या पूछ रहा है? आपको क्या दिया है? मिड पॉइंट दिया है, करेक्ट? कैन यू सी द वर्ड मिड पॉइंट? इट मीन्स यू हैव टू यूज मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. We have to use midpoint formula of the line segment joining 2a comma 4 and minus 2 comma 2b is. Here we have two points, right? Which are the 2 points? The 2 points are 2a comma 4 is the first point and the extreme point is minus 2 comma 2b. These are the 2 points. And what is the midpoint? The midpoint is 1 comma 2a plus 1. So this is the midpoint. Understood? The midpoint of these 2 points is 1 comma 2a plus 1. Find the values of a and b. Just we have to use midpoint formula, substitute the values. Correct? Got it? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is x and this is y. Correct now? Yes. Understood? Good. My dear students, still if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon, and after watching this complete video, share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. And do remember the admissions are opened in our coaching center. We do have branch in Bangalore, that is Tannery Road branch. In the below description we have given the contact details, that is 9964257448. For the further enquiry you can get back to us with that respective contact number. We do conduct classes from class 1st to class 12th standard, science, commerce and arts stream. Okay. If any students are interested to join for regular program, the regular classes, you can join. Hurry up, limited seats. Let's continue. Now, as we can see here, the question is, they have already said that midpoint. Got it? So we know that we have the formula to find the midpoint, that is P. Let me say A is the point and this is B is the point, and let me say this is a point P. Okay. So to find P of x comma y, we have the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. If you want, you can directly substitute here. If not, you can do individually also. We know that the coordinates of x is x equals x1 plus x2 by 2. What is the value of x? 1 is equals to x1, that is 2a, plus x2 is minus 2. We write in bracket by 2. Now 2 ones are 2 is equals to 2a, plus into minus is minus 2. Done. Now as we can see here, 2 is as it is, minus 2 come this side, it becomes plus 2, that is equals to 2a. Now we can say that 2a is equals to 2 plus 2 is 4 then A is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, the value of A is plus 2. Done? Understood? They are asking us to find the value of A and B, right? We got the value of A. Now to find B, we have the coordinates. Excuse me. We know that y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. Now simple. What is the value of y? The value of y is 2a plus 1. Substitute 2a plus 1 is equals to y1. y1 is 4 plus y2. y2 is how much? That is 2b by 2. Now cross multiply. It becomes 2 into 2a plus 1 is equals to 4 plus 2b. Done? 2 2s are 4a plus 2 1s are 2 is equals to 4 plus 2b. Got it? Now very simple. 4 into a. What is the value of a? Just now we found the value of a is 2. Can you see this? Yes. The value of a is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 plus 2b. Let me continue. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is equals to 4 plus 2b. 8 plus 2 is 10 is equals to 4 plus 2b. I'll solve here. Now 10 as it is, plus 4 come this side, it becomes minus 4, that is equals to 2b. Then 2b is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. Then the value of b is 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are, therefore the value of b is plus 3. Hence we got the value of a and b. The value of a is plus 2 and the value of b is plus 3. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve one more problem. Next question. Observe your children. Observe your students the next problem. If the line joining the points a of 4 comma minus 5 and b of 4 comma 5 is divided by the point P such that AP by AB is equals to 2 by 5, then find the coordinates of P. Children, here you should be very much careful before you solve any problem. What is that? Observe here. If the line joining the points A and B, let me say these are the points, this is a point A and this is a point B, okay? AB. The coordinates of A is 4 comma minus 5. Coordinates of B is 4 comma 5. Got it? And we have a point P. We have a point P. P is a point which divides the line AB. Understood? But make sure that what he has given, you should be careful in this step. देखो बेटा, इसमें क्या बताया गया है आपको? AP by AB is 2 by 5. AP is this. AP is M1. AP is M1. PB is M2, no? But instead of PB, what he has given? AB he has given. He has not given M2. He has given directly M1 is 2. Instead of giving PB, he is given AB. Understood? Got it? He has given AP by AB. He has not given AP by PB. Now, in that case, first we have to simplify this area before we start solving the problem. Observe here, how to do it. We know that according to the question, AP by AB given AP by AB is equals to 2 by 5. Done? AP by AB is equals to 2 by 5. Now we can say that AP is to AB is equals to 2 is to 5. Correct? Understood? Now exactly how much is AP? We can take that AP is equals to 2x, 2 times of x. AP is equals to 2x because we don't know exact value. Then AB is equals to 5x. AP is 2x and AB is 5x. Now what we are planning to find? PB. If you want to find PB, what we should do? In this total AB, in this total AB, you subtract AP. So you can find PB. Correct? Understood? So PB is equals to how much? AB minus AP. Got it? Understood or not? Yeah. Now we can say that AB is how much? 5x. The value of AB is 5x minus AP is 2x. That is equals to 3x. So the value of PB is 3x. Any doubt? Understood? Now we can conclude that. Therefore AP is to PB is equals to how much? AP is how much? 2x is to not, see, whenever you write in ratio you should not write x. Whenever you write in ratio, जब भी आप ratio में लिखेंगे तो आपको x नहीं लिखना है. जब exact AP बोले तो 2x है, but when it is in ratio, what you should do? You should write only 2. You should write only 2. 2 is to PB is 3. So now we got to know that this is dividing in the ratio 2 is to 3. This it is dividing in the ratio 2 is to 3. Understood now? Got it? Yeah, now we have to start solving the problem. To start solving the problem, first you make a note of these key points. The coordinates of A is 4, minus 5. Coordinates of B is 4, plus 5. And coordinates of P we don't know. That is what we have to find. P of x, y. And it is dividing in the ratio m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 3. Understood? Now, as they have given in the question, AB is the point and it is dividing, P is the point it is dividing. So we have to use section formula. What is section formula? X is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Correct? Yes or no? Yeah. M1. How much is M1? 2 into x2. Observe here. This is x1, y1. x2, y2. Correct? Now this is m1 and this is m2. m1 into x2. x2 is 4 plus m2. m2 is 3 into x1 is 4 by m1 plus m2. That is nothing but 2 plus 3. Got it? Now further calculation, that is 2 4s are 8 plus 3 4s are 12 by 2 plus 3 is 5. 12 plus 8 is 20 by 5, that is 5 1s are 5 4s are. So that we can say that therefore the value of x is plus 4. Now we need y. To find y, what is the section formula? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Done. How much is m1? 2 into y2 is 5 plus m2 is 3 into y1. y1 is minus 5 by m1 is 2 plus m2 is how much? m2 is 3. That is equals to 2 into 5 is 10 plus into minus 3 5s are 15 by 2 plus 3 is 5. In 10 if we subtract 15, 10 minus 15 minus 5 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are. So that the value of y is minus 1. The value of y is minus 1. Now we can conclude that finally, therefore coordinates of P are how much? 4, minus 1. Hence we have concluded this problem. I hope the problems are interesting and you have got much knowledge how to solve the respective questions related to this chapter. And one more video we are going to upload related to this section and midpoint formula. Okay. In that we will be solving still more number of problems for higher order carrying marks. And I hope you people have enjoyed this class. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it. And right now, this year, we are just running with Tannery Road branch, but not Shivajinagar branch. And recently, we have changed the address of Tannery Road branch. Okay, it is nearest to this locality itself. You can contact to the below contact number. And admissions are open from class 1st to class 12th standard coaching classes. Thank you. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. And do not forget to share this video with your friends. Let they also get an opportunity to learn with Shah Faisal sir. Take care.